On top inside Edo today, Ooni of Ife don endorse Obaseki administration and he tell am say make he put eye for wetin he dey do for Edo State. Ooni of Ife Oba Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi wey be Ojaja II don endorse Governor Godwin Obaseki administration as he dey put body for wetin dey sweet Edo pipo and he tell governor say make he put eye for wetin he wan do to take develop Edo. Ooni tok dis one when he come see Obaseki for Government House of Benin City as he tok say governor need all the support wey he go get to take continue to dey serve Edo pipo and to change the face of Edo State to ogbonge one. Ooni yarn say governor don carry all the sense wey he get for private sector come join public sector own and he don use all the experience take develop Edo well well. He even call governor one of the best financial engineers wey dey for Naija.
I am here to associate with you with all the good things you're doing. I am here from the throne of Oduduwa for you to know that we are watching you from afar. All the good things that you're doing for the state. You are one of the greatest financial engineers that the country has ever produced. The people of Edo State need you to put up a good legacy that prosperity will always judge you for. I am very positive that the state is very fortunate to have you because you're very forthright and very disciplined, very articulate in what you do. And above all, I am very positive that we are going to change the narratives in governance.
Governor Godwin Obaseki come thank Ooni of Ife wey he take come government house with him entourage and say Ooni na him be one of the traditional rulers wey dey progress for Naija. He come still thank Ooni for wetin he don do for Naija and wey he take be peacemaker for the country. Now here we see this ogbonge update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Ooni of Ife don endorse Governor Godwin Obaseki administration and he tell am make he put eye for wetin he dey do to take develop Edo State. Make una know say this ogbonge update wey dey waka come meet una so na T-Live Media na im carry am come give una. And to continue to get more of this ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T-Live Media TV. Make una like and follow us for Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T-Live Media. Una fit log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.